Okay. Chess's history was born out of the Indian game Chaturanga before the 680. The game spread throughout Asia and Europe over the coming century and eventually evolved into what we know as a chess around the 16th century. One of the first markers of the game was the Spanish priest named Roy Lopez. This chess is a game played to opponent and opposite side of a board containing 64 squares of alternating colors. So each player has 16 pieces, one king, one queen, two bishops, two knights, and eight pawns. So the goal of the game is to checkmate the other king. So here's the methods to play the chess. So first is pawn. Tap, tap on the pawn's square, then tap on any the indicated green squares to move legal moves are indicated with green markers. Next is the bishop. It moves any number of empty squares diagonally. It cannot jump over other pieces. The next is queen, most powerful piece. It moves any number of empty squares horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, combining the moves of rook and bishop. It cannot jump over other pieces also. The horse or the knight, it moves in an L square shape in any direction, first moving the squares in one direction and then one square sideways. It can't jump over the other pieces. The next is rook, that moves any number of empty squares horizontally or vertically. It cannot jump over the other pieces. And the last is the king, moves one empty square in any direction unless the moves would place the king in check. It can jump the other pieces. It's also important to remember that the player cannot make any move involving any other piece that their own king in check. So that's the methods on how to play the chess.